Hi, my name is Jimmy, and welcome to Scott Hall. This is the main lobby of Scott Hall. Here you can find a printing station, lounge areas for residents to use, as well as a community kitchen. Scott Hall doesn't have a front desk in the building, but it does have access to the Snyder Hall front desk. The Snyder Hall front desk is here to help you. They can answer any questions you have, whether it's about university housing or campus in general. They offer temporary keys, temporary iCards, and even have items they can loan out to you. Things like board games, tools, sports equipment, kitchen supplies, and moving carts. Next to the Snyder Hall front desk, you will find your mailboxes. These are typically used for letter-sized envelopes and smaller packages. Larger boxes and packages would be delivered to the Student Dining and Residential Programs Building, better known as the SDRP. The SDRP is a short walk away and is also where the Ikenberry Dining Center and retail locations, 57 North and the Caffeinator, are located. This is the community kitchen available for residents to use. Residents can check out the kitchen key as well as kitchen equipment from the Snyder Hall front desk. The Scott Hall laundry room is located on the first floor of the building. Laundry costs are included in your housing contract, so no need to carry around a roll of quarters just to do your laundry. You can stay in the laundry room to know when your laundry is finished, or you can download the Illinois app to check the usage and availability of laundry machines. It is super convenient. There are 3 different room types available within Scott Hall. There are single, double, and triple rooms available. Scott Hall, like other residence halls, consists of mostly double rooms. Let me show you a double room. Welcome to a double room. Within each room, each resident gets a chair, desk, twin XL bed, bookshelf, 3-drawer chest, pedestal cabinet, and a hanging bed shelf. Each resident also gets their own lockable closet. These beds are currently set at our high loft configuration. From the top of the mattress to the floor is 65 inches, and from the bottom of the bed frame to the floor is 55 inches of clearance. Guardrails and ladders are available upon request. The default configuration would be our mid-loft height. In that configuration, from the top of the mattress to the floor is 38 inches, and from the bottom of the bed frame to the floor is 28 of clearance. Making this space your own can feel a little overwhelming, but don't worry, we're here to help. We have a giant list of items we recommend you bring and items to leave behind. You can find the link to our ultimate packing checklist, as well as furniture dimensions in the description below. The bathroom layout here in Scott Hall is a community-style layout. There are 5 showers, 3 toilets, and 8 sinks. The bathrooms are cleaned daily by our building service staff. I have 5 things that you should know about living in Scott Hall. Number 1, Scott Hall is home to the transfer community. This community focuses on students who may be transferring from another institution and looking for students who may be in the same boat as them. Just to preface, Scott Hall welcomes a mix of first-year and upper division residents. Number 2, the best way to get around campus is walking, biking, or taking the bus. The main quad is about a 10-minute walk from here. The nearest bus stops would be the First and Stadium stop and the Activities and Recreation Center stop. 3. You are across the street from the Activities and Recreation Center, better known as the ARC. You are also near the iQuad, the Outdoor Center playfields, and Memorial Stadium. 4. The nearest dining hall would be the Ikenberry Dining Center, located within the SDRP, along with 57 North and the Caffeinator, in case you want to eat something quick on your way to class. 5. Also located within the SDRP is the package station and additional resources such as the computer lab, music practice rooms, large multi-purpose rooms, classrooms, and the place where a lot of fun events are held. Thank you for joining me on this tour of Scott Hall. We can't wait to see you on campus soon. Click here to watch another Residence Hall video. I'm so fast, I could make it to the end of this hallway and back before you even click it. Watch, I'll race you. Okay, actually, I'm not athletic, I'm just kidding. Please click it. Please.